There she goes.
Yep. You got it right on TV, right here.
Don't puke on yourself now.
You know, he's been up there for quite a while now, almost an hour.
Yeah.
This kid, I don't know. In and out, in and out. I don't think the kid knows nothing. Yeah, I call his family to let him get in, right?
Yeah, they're supposed to.
Yeah. No, don't open it. Let him. Maybe his family's not there. Maybe she fell asleep, the grandmother. The door's open.
Oh, Sean's got a key. It looks like he had a shave there too.
A shave? Oh yeah. I'm gonna sit down.
Hey, all right, how you doing? Oh, he doesn't have to shave his beard off. Good night.
I don't understand. His mother goes up that way. He goes over there. What's over there?
Stairwell. He goes up the stairwell.
Oh, he goes up the stairs. Wow.
Yeah, cause his apartment is close. I mean, not his apartment, but his mother's.
grandmother.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
That's close.
So the mother lives with the mother?
Sometimes there.
Yeah.
She's on and off through the.
Yeah. But she's got her own place up there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't get these people so young are in here. Sorry. The only thing they can't do is they can't go to our parties, our dinner. They can't come to bingo games. That's what they do over there. If they live there, they can't come to any of them. They got to stay up in their room, but they never do. They're all over the place.
Ooh. That sounded like a horse.
What's happened to Mommy tonight? Never this night. Oh, it's Coronation night. I look at that stupid clock up there. Somebody ought to fix it.
Auntie said 9 o'clock.
No, it's only about 9:15 right now.
Yeah, someone went up there to fix it. They'd find out that it was swished, then go back up there and put it ahead. So
they put 10 minutes, 5 minutes, almost 10 minutes ahead.
yeah, watch them put the clock ahead when the hour changes this weekend.
Normal. Oh, we got to change it this weekend.
I could say what's normal, but I hear that all too much.
He got, what the hell he gonna do with ice? But they're gonna get all those kids.
Careful, don't cut yourself.
Oh dear, be careful, don't spill that either.
It's almost done. We'll have to put you into the 5 through 8 burping contest.
Really?
Really?
Oh, they have them out there. All age groups. See who's got the better one. If they
Is mine the better? You know which one's the better?
You mean the best?
Yeah, you know which one is better?
Yeah, the one that's sitting right in the Guinness Book of World Record right now.
Do you know the one that is the best? The one that sounded like a horse?
Yeah, for right here.
Can't see, but nothing.
Nada.
Okay. That damn machine went up. We're gonna get her some potato chips. Damn it. We're gonna get her a little bag of potatoes. She's hungry right now a little bit. Oh well. Just have to wait, Mom.
candy. I want a Hershey bar.
I can't get nothing, honey. The machine's still broke. I hope
Could
they
you try
find-
doing a number about money?
Huh?
Could you try, Matt, try to do the number about money. E4. 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 7, 8. Let me fix that.
It's just the money won't go in, honey. You can get anything you want, but you can't get it.
Look at that. There's a cookie in there for 85 cents, but I've seen them for 50 cents at the store.
So why don't you put a note up there and tell them to go and